How to fix your DoorDash login error. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the DoorDash login error on your phone. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end and follow the following steps. So first of all, you need to check your credentials. After you check your credentials, what you need to do is reset your password. Go to the DoorDash Dasher login page by tapping on www.doordash.com and click on the forget your password option. Click your email address and follow the instruction to your email and reset your password. Now you also need to check your internet stability. So check your internet connection by just swiping up, and if the net is not working properly, then you need to open your data. And after doing that, just go on the application and clear app and clear cache. How you can clear that is you just need to go and long press on your applications like this, and you need to tap on the I section, scroll down and tap on the storage option, and you will see the very option of clear data and clear cache right there. So after you clear cache and clear data there, you can update the app now. Go on the Google Play Store and search for the application, and if you see the update option on the right side, you need to update it. If not, then you are done. Now check for the DoorDash server issues. Sometimes the login page can be due to the server problems as well. Check if the DoorDash is experiencing an outage by visiting the website like Down Detector, https www.downdetector.com as well. And if this does not work, then I would suggest you to go on the Google Play Store, search for the DoorDash app, and then uninstall and reinstall your app again. Now, if this also does not work and you have a problem on your phone, then I will also suggest you to try a new device and see if your app does work in that device or not. Because if it does work on the other device, then there is some problem in your device. And trying it on other device is also an option. But if none of this option helps you, then you can simply contact the DoorDash support for the assistance as well. You can reach them through the app or by visiting the DoorDash help center as well. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most logging errors on the DoorDash as a dasher. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.